So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Java for the VS Code on your system. Now, if I open the VS Code and if I show you some Java file right there, here you can see that there is a Java file. Now, in order to set it up, just simply first of all, just simply download the Java JDK from any of the browser you have. Search for Java JDK download and download and install the JDK. You can easily do it using this compressed file. Now, once you do it, now again simply open the VS Code, go to extension section, and here search for Java, and simply need to install the Java extension as well. Now here you can see in my case I've already installed it. Now simply install that particular Java extension and you'll good to go with Java programs on your VS Code. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.